a crossover thing there still. So we're gonna set it off right now. Flash mob, what you say? Quick, long time. Yeah. Yo, so everybody will love hip-hop music and know that hip-hop music started at Jamaica.
First coast.
A man named Cool N.R.G. You see what I say? So right now, we are showing them where the thing are forward from. And we are gonna teach them. So here we are gonna say now. Me a the lyrical athlete, fill up street. Revolution in the music, go take me militancy rap sheet. Never catch me rapping on a crack beat. If you try to bite my style, my youth, you a go get cracked deep. Artillery and machine. If you still a try come with that wax face. My links from downtown to Papi. Real warriors will make that breeze. Bring back the food and make that feed the family and secure what that needs. Survival is a must, but you know we not get that free. Increase the profits and you know just what that means. From Kingston to T that my blaze up that bad green. Never try to mix the thing like white rice and black. It don't take much to set it off. Just be careful how you act and how you talk. What? It don't take much to set it off. You ain't walking what you talking, just be stepping off. Moving graceful, she rules the dance floor. The way she winds to the rhythm was hypnotizing. Her waist and the bassline synchronizing. She shake to the shaker with perfect timing. I'm a cake, then she's the icing. Hey, red eye, them two red eye. One pretend to be your friend, just a smile them.
You don't know, you know, D-Shade 876, you know. Wow, go on, my brother. N.R.G there, you know. Kenzic there.
You don't know, you know, Kenzic there, you know, beast.
Wow! Up and running. You don't know. Right now we say I-Revolt, just shell. You see what I say? Yes, so we just get ready for the rest of the performance. Them. You don't know, it was a great energy. We love the vibes. You see what I say?
Big up sweet reggae music. Man, we are going to shell it now too. You don't know, you know, big up Makonnen for the great performance a while ago too. Big up.
Right.
Up.
You know what energy do it. Mix it with that hip hop and everything.
Turn it up.
Last year I live. Savior the great, full of flavor. Bun bad behavior, I love mocks me neighbor. Ready if you take it, select the chip in a me head. Lyrics me splitting it again, feel left them sticking at them head. Arsenal of the artillery, I want the them. I beg no friend from none of them, cause them a wish to see me heard. Yeah, the lyrical athlete, Philak Street. Revolution in the music, go check me militancy rap sheet. Never catch you rapping pan a crack beat. If you try to bite my style, my youth, you a go get cracked it. Determined, I you flow like a storm wind, flapping at your window saying rip it to your awning. Sure thing, forget them rappers that be boring. If you tap the track like a hungry. Don't know, pick up yourself, 876, new reggae generation, N.R.G, Maki, Iron.
I was just straight from out of dub school. Hey, big up 10.5. Hold on, let me say something. It's a Rastafari. It's a concept of the art. You see whether or not you grow the natty or whether or not you cut the ear. How you live in it because if I for the ear alone we lost, enough man grow the ear and not live the live. So I say something like so. Rasta man we no water head enough of them regular cause them barber they chat more avenue than party them. Me no arrange me and I go best me no back me and I go shell.
I'm going to call like no dread food terrible. Now all no men behind them shame. Them not see up them head hail the king publicly and specialist when it comes to cannabis, no revenue, no matter around. Real italist. Hail His Majesty King Selassie and the first ruler of the universe. For I, only for I, only for I. Rastafari rules and reigns forever.
Almighty sky, I open angels in majesty. Ready for the battlefield, we gon' trample the enemy. Armor on me. Armor on me, shield iron eye from deceptive handshake.
Sharing the stage with some really wonderful talent tonight. Much respect goes out to all the artists that are performing on this stage tonight. And I just want to say that the revolution happens in different ways, you know? And so we experience a revolution in love, in relationships. And so I'm here to inject a little reggae fusion flavor into the whole proceedings. We sing about some love, different aspects of love. So please receive the revolution in the form of love, romance. Yeah? Alright, let's do it. Once lost has turned
turned to dust and all that slips, held breath, forgotten who we first met. What seemed like a good idea has turned into a battlefield. Everybody wants to chase, that's why I still can't. Put your hands on me.
I am your king, baby, baby.
I am your queen, love.
We gonna be something, 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 something that they ain't never seen. She is too hard.
Yati fire. Of course. You know about Benji Yati? I'm a long fire. If you have a little party here, they can order Benji Yati in the firewall.
At 300 years, I don't see man, them come link up about 3 years ago.
Firewall. When you know about the Aki Yati then?
Them shot.
Them shot Benji.
Shot.
We never know.
Yeah, and Benji Miller will have some rap when shot.
Fire. Watch out, man. No bone zone. See?
Yeah.
You have a next Benji name. R.I. Millennium. Or million%. R.I. million% juice.
Yes,
see
sir.
them juice is not sweetened with sugar.
I don't know what the R.I. stand for, but for me it's 1,000,000%.
It's good. See?
Yeah.
So, you know, say sugar is one of the most dangerous drugs. When you know that? Sugar is more dangerous than even cigarettes.
I'm an lion, yeah. I know the yes, I know. Yes, I know. I know, come on, true lion to them. Yes, man, a lion, yeah. True lion out. I'm an lion, yeah. I know the police alone about the land. So to all the one them with that do me wrong, I call them Babylon, yes, Babylon, yes. All the one them with that do me wrong, I come about them Babylon, yes. Purest thoughts and these will reveal your intention. Oh, you be cursed when Joseph be blessed. Rastafari son, come when I want to go. Rastafari in it, walk with me, the light. Up and to the party now. From Rastafari, walk with me, the lighter, party. None of that's my time. Love you know, it was really a pleasure. Listen, I give thanks to the strength. I want to big up Flash Mob right now and tell I them thank you. Yes, I want to big up on my beautiful backup vocalists right now. My beautiful queens on stage want to thank you for making this possible. You don't know. Sorry, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Everybody that collaborates to make this the event that it is good night. I want to thank you. See you today.
So I just want to bless the stage tonight with a little blessing, yeah? Holy Emmanuel, I, Selassie, I, Jah, Rastafari. Holy Emmanuel, I, Selassie, I, Jah, Rastafari. Run. There's so many religions, yes, proclaiming to be the only one. She boom, she bang, she boom all over the place. She bang, she boom, she bang, she boom, she bang. It's never too late to change, and it's never too late to try. To break down these walls and barriers built by you and I.
First of all, bless up to all the 876Muzik fans and family. My name is Nadia Mcanuff, and I just performed at I-Revolt. The vibe is high, real really high. We had Runkus, Kelissa, Chanta, yeah, and a lot of other acts. And yeah, I really enjoy being in Jamaica. And thanks to the I-Revolt crew for inviting I as well. You know? Yes. Also, you can find my music on iTunes. Just type in Agape featuring Nadia Harris, and everything will come up. You can also find my videos on YouTube as well. And we have an album coming out hopefully early next year, titled Agape featuring Nadia Harris, which will be featuring original tracks by myself and my producer Eric Runkus.
When I say 876Muzik, big up on yourself and keep it locked and like right I say, isn't it? Every time for it.
I really have to go, but I was never aware of the Flash Mob band. I think they're with Burns, right? Lee Burns. So I think they're the baddest thing since Bob Marley. And yeah, I just want people to heal up the people. Everyone love. Thanks for backing. Let's do it again really soon. See my brother, I love you.
Yeah, man, well, you know, bless up everybody.
Yeah, man, bless you. Yeah, man, love.
Yeah, we just done Shell I-Revolt. It was an honor to work with Nadia, Kenzic, Royal, Chanta, and show their support for I-Revolt. Big up, enough respect, see?
Government said them a go van. Alright. Government said them a go car and go taxi and go bus and then go van. Then go van. Alright. She love every line I speak. Take her time while she sip it. Her spirit come alive and often weak. We relax and walk and just breathe. Oh, my scabby and peace. And the click them loading on and goes so boom. And well, music I do weapon on my choice. Smith and West and in my left and where them are. Be nice up dance again. Come yourself be nice up dance again.
Blessed love. This is Runkus. Label us the right way. I've just done I-Revolt, I've just done Revolt with all and none. So try, that's to be there to experience it. Body, mind and soul, world, sound and power, blessed love, but this is Runkus representing for 876Muzik. Make sure the word when you use it, don't refuse, and don't confuse it. Keep fusing it. Bless.
Say the fiction and evil have the world unstable. Throw your cards on the table, take a chance. Stay steady on the mission, steady on the mission. One step closer to my goal, I leave all my worries behind. This weight on my shoulders, you've got the keys to my heart, so I can't find no love again. There's a trillion barriers in my way. In the kitty gun, I am hurt but strong. I in the kitty gun, there's a trillion barriers in my way. This is a cause none they have no fear of man. We got no problems that keep me up like a